Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. In today's video, we're gonna be restoring the Project E30 engine bay. We're gonna be painting the valve cover, wire brushing a lot of parts that are rusted, and try to get it as shiny as possible. So let's take a look on how the engine bay looks right now, and hopefully by the end of this video, we can make it look a little bit newer. So let's go ahead and take a look. So you can tell, guys, the engine bay was very neglected. We did work on it a couple days ago, but it's been raining for the last couple days, so we weren't able to work on it. But let me show y'all what we did to the engine bay. We used the wire brush, we used the leaf blower, and the vacuum. So let me throw in those clips. Thomas, you're in the shop, bro. People miss you, man. Look here, look. Grab the wire brush and start scribbling so people can be like, yo, Big T's putting some work in the project. Oh shit, look at Big T putting in some work finally.
I'm already tired, man.
You can see the wire brush working pretty good.
That thing really working, man.
Yeah, look, you can see all the dust coming out.
You know about a new one.
Guys, I know that was funny, but it actually did the job. There's no more leaves around here. Now I can see all the dirt that has in the engine bay, but hey, ghetto hacks work. So as you can tell, it looks way better just with little wire brush and picking all the dirt from the corners. But this is what we're gonna be using to degrease the engine bay. We also bought some primer, paint, and clear coat for the valve cover, all heat protection, and we got this chemical, guys, trim protection to make everything look more shinier. But right now I think I'm about to go ahead and start using the engine degreaser. I'm gonna just spray it, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then come and wash it off. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the alternator and some little things here and there that are electronic stuff. Alright guys, so I secured the alternator and a couple hoses that I took like the ICV out. I was gonna clean that out separate, but that's pretty much it. I don't think I need a tape or put a bag over the mass sensor, plus it's all greasy, so I'm gonna just go ahead and clean it anyways, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so it says you're supposed to spray it and let it sit for 15 minutes. I saw some people spray the car first, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just go ahead and spray it. So here goes nothing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wait 15 minutes until all the grease comes out, and then I can rinse it out, and then we can take the valve cover and restore that, and then replace that little coolant tank. I'm super excited how this is gonna come out. It already looked pretty shiny, but with that chemical guide trim protection and rubber protection, it will make it shine, and this engine bay is gonna look a lot newer. Alright guys, now that we let the gunk sit for like 15 minutes and then we got the brushes and we all cleaned it all in the tight little areas, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down. Kind of scared on this part because I have never done this, but we're gonna give it a try and hopefully we don't mess nothing up. And just like that guys, with the gunk and a little rinse, you can make your engine bay look way much cleaner guys. I'm not done yet, I don't want to stop here. You can tell the intake manifold looks so bright now. Now all I gotta do is take out the valve cover, paint it, replace this cooling tank, and detail this plastic pieces and the rubber hoses. I can't wait to install this right now guys. It's gonna make a big difference, even if it's something small as the cooling tank, but you can tell this was just maybe factory, 32 years old. But you can see the intake manifold, it looks so clean. You could probably eat out of here. I can't wait to install this. Oh my god guys, you can tell the engine bay looks a lot newer. I can't wait to take the valve cover out. I'm gonna go ahead and do it and start painting the valve cover, and while it's in the paint process, I'm gonna go ahead and try to restore this trim pieces because you can tell they're still a little bit faded. Same thing with the hoses, so I'm gonna use that chemical guys, trim protection and shine, and I'm gonna clean all the rubber hoses and every little trim piece. So super excited guys. This cooling tank made the engine bay look a lot newer. Okay, so we just took the valve cover gasket. It's only held on by 8 bolts and this hose connecting to the top. And we took the valve cover gasket, we got a new one, and also has the arm shaft seals, which connects to right here. Guys, doing things like this gets me so excited. I like seeing the transformation, but we're about to go ahead and degrease the whole valve cover, and hopefully it all goes well so the paint won't be messed up. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so the valve covers are cleaned up, ready for paint. Make sure you clean it very good because prep is the main key of paint. And I degreased the valve cover and I cleaned it with alcohol about like 5 times to make sure I have no grease in here, and it's all good now. I'm about to go to the booth and start painting the valve cover because I'm super excited, and it's about to rain. I don't know if you can tell. That's the problem where I live. It rains too much, so I can't pump out a lot of videos for you guys, but luckily we got like a little shed over there so we can paint this valve cover. Okay guys, woo, the sun just came out, but we just finished painting the valve cover. It looks so good guys. I scraped the letters off with some sandpaper and then I put some clear coat. Now I'm about to go ahead and clean the engine bay, like restore all the trim pieces and also all the rubber hoses. So let's go ahead and do that. Hopefully it comes out good. Guys, and just like that, look at the engine bay. It looks way much cleaner. I will not be afraid to pop the hood at a Carson Coffee or something because the engine bay looks much nicer. The valve cover looks so clean guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Let me know what you think about the Project E30 engine bay. I'm so happy I did this. It looks so clean, guys. Super happy. But go ahead and subscribe if you're new, guys, because we got a lot of things coming for the E30. Now that we're done with the engine stuff, we can start adding some cosmetic stuff. And me and Thomas want to buy some coilovers next, but we don't know what brand, because I heard that you gotta cut the coilovers on the E30 and weld the new ones or something like that. But we were searching up and we found some that you don't have to do that, and they are Racelands. But I don't know if any of you guys are running Racelands on your E30. Comment down below and let me know what you think about them. But as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.